So in this video, I'll help you set up your On4All TV remote control. This one is, let me show you the package. It's the 8 device one. Should look like this. So I'll show you multiple ways on how you can set it up automatically and using codes. So let's get started right away. The first step is to turn on your television. So the first method I'm showing you is the automatic way. This only works with a few TV brands. Here in the manual, it tells you with which brands it works, this method. If your TV is not one of these, don't worry, we'll use another method after this one to connect yours. So the first step is to locate the magic button, this one right over here where it says magic. Keep this button pressed until the light over here blinks. So I'm keeping it pressed, wait. Okay, it blinked, I can release my finger from the button and the light will stay lit up. Now with the device button, we need to select TV, since this is the device we want to set up with this remote. But in the future, if you want to select Blu-ray or audio, DVD, your gaming console, simply by pressing device, you can select the specific device you want to set up. All right, so once TV is lit up like this, make sure your TV is turned on. And now, according to this small manual over here, remember the number beside your TV brand. In my case, it's a TCL, so it's number 8. Maybe yours it's something different. So mine is number 8. So keep press that button until the TV shuts down. I'm keeping it pressed right now. And be patient. Okay, it can take a few minutes. Okay, it shut down. I can release my finger from the button and the code has been saved in the remote control. It's now working. So let me demonstrate. This is the power button. If I press on here, here we go. The TV turns on and I can use it. Now let me show you another method on how to pair this remote using the code list. This is the code list that came with this remote and maybe you have lost it. I'll put screenshots right now on the screen of this manual. So just pause the video, take note of the code located beside the brand of your TV. Okay, here it is under the TV section. In my case, it's TCL. So over here I have TCL with 2 codes. Take note of those codes. The process is almost the same. So we'll keep pressed the magic button until the light over here blinks. Okay, it blinked. Now I can release my button. Select your device using the device button. In our case, it's a TV. So TV will be selected with a light this way. And now it's time to enter the code using this keypad. In my case, it's 4398. After doing this, point the remote control towards your TV and try to turn it off. Hopefully it works, and if it does, well, the code has been saved in your remote. You don't have to do anything else. If not, if you have multiple codes, go again, try doing the same thing, but enter the next code and try to turn off your TV. So this is about it. I hope this is useful. If so, please leave a comment down below telling me that it worked. I'll be very happy to know that. Leave a like, subscribe. If you want to purchase another remote control, a TV or other stuff, check my Amazon links in the description. This is a great way to support my channel. See you in the next video.